Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today's video focuses on the AUDUSD pair, taking a close look at the interplay of recent news and technical chart patterns. Let's start by reviewing some of the key news headlines. Major news outlets report a weaker-than-expected Australian trade balance for October, and some market analysts suggest this might put downward pressure on the AUD. Recent reports also highlight a muted Asian FX market, influenced by weaker-than-expected inflation data in China. The US dollar has seen a 3-week high, potentially increasing selling pressure on AUDUSD pairs. Now, let's shift our focus to the charts. Examining the daily chart, we see a recent downward trend, with the price currently trading below several key short-term resistance levels. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart shows that this downward trend is accentuated, with multiple lower lows and lower highs across the time frame. Bearish momentum seems to be gaining strength at this hour. However, if we take a look at the 15-minute chart, a short-term reversal pattern could indicate a temporary bounce, creating a short-term buying opportunity. It's important to observe that the 15-minute time frame is heavily affected by short-term noise. Analyzing the price action in the current range, we observe that prices are consolidating around the 0.63 region. The 0.6300 level seems to be providing strong short-term support. However, breaking below 0.6300 could signal a continuation of the bearish trend, possibly aiming for the next support level near 0.6250 or even 0.6200. Should it break this, the market would likely become highly bearish. Conversely, a break above the 0.64 resistance level on the daily chart would suggest a potential shift to a bullish sentiment in the medium term, particularly if it clears the 0.6450 level as well. Let's look at a specific period on the 1-hour chart, focusing on the last 24 hours. We can see that the price was consolidated and unable to break above several small resistance levels. On the other hand, there has been a significant drop on the daily chart during this period, which could further emphasize the overall bearish trend. For a more detailed analysis, let's look at the 15-minute chart during this drop. As we see, the price action is largely driven by market sentiment in short periods on the 15-minute chart. This short period, with its high volatility, confirms the current bearish sentiment shown in the other time frames. Thus, we should prioritize the overall picture. In summary, the AUDUSD pair shows a bearish short-term and medium-term trend. Short-term support is at 0.6300, with potential further support around 0.6250 and 0.6200. Resistance levels are situated around 0.6400 and 0.6450. A break below 0.6300 could reinforce bearishness, while a break above 0.6400 might signal a medium-term bullish reversal. It's important to stay alert and monitor these levels to make informed trading decisions.